Okay, so in this problem here, we have given various information, take a look at it, and I've already gone through A part and B part. And M, this matrix M here is, it's the transformation matrix of an enlargement and then a rotation. And it enlarges by 1/√2 each time. Okay, and so then if we look at C part, it says find, let AN be the area of triangle TN. Well, this is triangle T1, so the area of this is going to be A1, and so on and so forth. So A is the area for the various triangles. So write down the value of A1 and the area of triangles. So A1 is simply a triangle, area is half the base times the height. Because it's a right triangle, I know this distance here from the coordinate points. I have these values here, and so I know it's going to be 4 across and 4 up, and so my area is 8. And that's the first one. Now it says use your answer to part B to find the area scale factor between A1 and A2. Well, I know for me to get A2, I'm going to multiply by the absolute value of the determinant of M. We'll multiply times A1, because that's my formula for area with transformations. Well, so then A2, the determinant of A1, if I look here, it's a half times a half plus a half times a half. So I know it's going to be a quarter plus a quarter times 8, which is 1/2 times 8, which is going to be 4. And so therefore I know it's going to be an aspect of factor of 1/2 each time it's going to change by a factor of 1/2. So now, given the area of triangles form a geometric sequence, find an expression for AN. Well, if it's a geometric sequence, A1, A2, A3, and so on, I know this is 8. This is 4. It's going by 1/2 is my R value. So my formula for a geometric sequence is AN is going to be A1 R to the n minus 1. Well, A1 is 8, R is 1/2, and to the power of n minus 1 is going to be my formula for AN. Hence, find the total area for 8 triangles. Well, that means I'm going to find the sum of 8 triangles, not infinity triangles, 8 triangles. So that formula is A1 times R to the power of n minus 1 over 1/2 minus 1. And if I look ahead, if I do that from my answer sheet, I get 15.9375, so approximately 15.9 is the total area. All right, so then the last part, going to the D part, if I know that x1 is a point on T1 and xn is a point on Txn, here is the transformation that happens. Find the image of A in T8. Well, if I'm going to find the image of A in T8, well, T8 is going to be M, the matrix M to the power of 7 times x1, y1. And if I consider point A is specifically what I know, point A is specifically, if I look at point A, is -0.4. So if I come in here and change this x1, y1 specifically to -4, and if I multiply that out with my calculator, I should get -0.25, -0.25. So that is how we do this particular question, bit by bit.